Welcome to online lecture series. This is Dr. K. Ramesh, Professor of Mathematics, Leading Institute of Engineering and Technology, Nagaram. Today, our topic is within the topic multiple integrals, lecture 2. In previous lecture, we know how to evaluate the double integrals. Four upper and lower limits, four limits are constant. According to given order, we have to integrate that function. First with respect to, next with respect to. Suppose given integral, first integral constant limits are there, in second integral y terms are there. Y terms means we have to take opposite variable x. So integrate first with respect to x and then integrate with respect to y. In first integral constants are there, second integral x terms are there. We have to integrate first with respect to y and then we have to integrate with respect to x. Observe the some examples, problems. Problem 1. Evaluate from the 0 to 1, the 0 to 2, x square plus y dx dy. Look here. Here, upper and lower limits, all limits are constant. According to given order, we have to integrate. First with respect to x, keeping y as constant between the limits 0 to 2 and then integrate with respect to y between the limits 0 to 1. So the solution is equal to the 0 to 1, the 0 to 2, x square plus y dx d. The 0 to 1 x square integration with respect to x power of n integration, integral x power of n is x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So x cubed by 3 plus y integrating with respect to x, y constant. Let as it is y into integral dx is x. Integral dx is x. Write limits 0 to 2, write dy. Here we integrate with respect to x variable. So instead of x, we write upper and lower limits. So put upper limit value. Instead of x, we write 2 cube 8 by 3 to y dy. Lower limit, instead of x, we write 0, we write 0, x, we write 0, we write 0. Need not write lower 0, minus 0 plus 0, 0. Need not write. So now integrate with respect to y. Here 8 by 3 constant into integral dy is y. So 8 by 3 into dy is y plus 2 constant integral y is y square by 2. 0 to 1. 0 to 1. First we substitute upper limit 8 by 3. Instead of y write 1. 8 by 3. 2 to cancel. Instead of y write 1 plus 1. Lower limit 0. We need not write 0 plus 0 minus 0. Upper limit is lower. LCM 3. 8 plus 3 times. So your answer is 11 by 3. Problem 2. Problem 2. value integral 1 to 2 integral 1 to 3 x y square dy dx. Here all upper and lower limits are constant according to integration order. We have to integrate first with respect to y between the limits 1 to 3 and then with respect to x between the limits 1 to 2. Solution I is equal to integral 1 to 2 integral 1 to 3 x y square dy dx. Integral 1 to 2 integral with respect to y x constant. This is y cubed by 3 1 to 3 dx 1 to 2 x into substitute first upper limit 3 cube 27 by 3 9 minus instead of y 1 by 3 dx. So 9 minus 1 by 3 27 minus 26 by 3 take constant outside 1 to 2 x dx is equal to 26 by 3 x integration x square by 2 1 to 26 by 3 2 square 4 by 2 2 minus 1 by 2 upper limit minus lower limit 26 by 3 this is 4 minus 1 3 by 2 4 minus 1 taking LCM to 4 minus 1 3 by 2 3 cancel here 30 times we get 30. Suppose same problem is given, you consider the same problem as problem 3. You are integral 1 to 2 integral 1 to 3 y square dx dy. Instead of dy dx, get here dx dy. Now these are x limits, these are y limits. Here these are y limits, these are x limits. Observe the difference. I is equal to integral 1 to 2 integral 1 to 3 x y square first with respect to x next with respect to y. All are constant limits according to order. First we have to integrate with respect to x, next we have to integrate with respect to y. Integral 1 to 2 with respect to x, y square constant, x integration x square by 2 heading is 1 to 3 dy. Integral 1 to 2 y square into put upper limit here instead of x right 3 square 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2 dy. This is 1 to 2 y square into 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2 2 LCM 9 minus 1 8 by 2 4 dy. You common 4 1 to 2 y square dy 4 y square integration y cube by 3 1 to 4 into 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3 2 cube 8 by 3 minus 1 by 4 into 7 by 28 by 3 that is 30 28 by 3. Observe the difference. So whenever four limits are constant according to given order of integration, dx dy is given first with respect to x, second with respect to y. dy dx is given first with respect to y, second with respect to x. Observe carefully. Next, problem 4. Evaluate integral 0 to 1 integral x2 root x square plus square dx dy. Observe carefully. This is your problem. In this actually this is first integral. This is second integral. This is first one. This is second one. First one, second one. In first integral, x to root x values are there. X values are there. Here 0 to 1 is there. Here x appears. So we have to integrate first opposite variable of x. What is the opposite variable of x? Y. So we have to first integrate with respect to y. Whenever x appears, opposite variable. Whenever y appears, opposite variable. This is the methodology. Solution. I is equal to 0 to 1 into x to root x square plus x square. X opposite variable is y. First we have to integrate with respect to y. Next with respect to x. 0 to 1 x square comes integral dy x square into dy x square into dy integration. X square constant common integral dy is y. That is the meaning. Y square integration y cube by x to root x d x to root x d. 0 to 1 substitute first upper limit in integrate with respect to y is there. So substitute instead of y write root x. So x square root x whole cube by 3. This is your upper limit value minus lower limit. Instead of y we write x square into x plus x cube by 3 dx. So observe carefully. Integral 0 to 1 x square x power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 x to the power of 5 by 2 plus this is 1 by 3 x power of 3 by 2 x power of 3 by 2. This is x cube plus x cube by 3. 3x cube plus 4x cube by 3 minus is there. So minus 4x cube by 3 dx. X cube plus x cube by 3. Taking LCM 3, we get 3x cube plus x cube, 4x cube by 3. Minus everything is minus. Now here we integrate x power of 5 by 2 plus 1, 7 by 2 by 7 by 2 plus 1 by 3 x power of 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3 x power of 4 by 2 x power of integral x power of m formula x power of m plus 1 by m plus 1. This is 2 by 7 x power of 7 by 2 plus this is 2 by 50 5 into 3 x power of 5 by 2 4 cancel x power of 4 by 3 0 to 1. substituting 1 instead of x, 1 for something, 2 by 7 plus 2 by 15 minus 1 by 3. Substituting 0, we get 0, need not write, is equal to LCM 7 into 15, 105. For LCM is 105. 7, 15 times 15 into 2, 30. This is 7 times 14. This is 3, 35 times. 30 plus 14, 44 minus 35, 9 by 105. So 3 cancel. 3 by 35 is your answer. This is problem 4. X is there, X appears, limits. First integrate with respect to opposite variable of X. That is y. That's why integrate with respect to y. Next with respect to X. Elementary integration, intermediate integration, intermediate formulas. All are intermediate formulas. Note down. So observe problem 5. Evaluate double integral x y dx dy over the positive quadrant of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Here limits are not given. We have to write limits of the double integration according to given diagram, given rules, whatever it may be. So here given circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Look here, this is your circle diagram. Positive, this is positive quadrant. Positive quadrant means x is positive, y is positive. First quadrant. Positive quadrant means first quadrant. X positive, y positive. X starts from 0, y starts from 0. Okay. So if we want y limits, take limit which be parallel to y axis. First, if we want x limits, take limit which be parallel to x axis. If we want first y limits, first means this one. This is first integral. This is second. First, second, not first, second. First, second. So first integral, we want y limits. Take parallel strip, limit which be parallel to y axis. On x axis, here y value is 0. This is circle. So on circle y is, look here, y square is equal to a square minus x square. Y is equal to actually plus or minus root of a square minus x square. So positive quadrant, take positive only. So y limits are y is equal to 0, y is equal to root of x square minus x square. Now, to cover the dotted region, to move this strip along x axis from this to this one, this to this one. This to this one is x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. X is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. Moving this strip like this, we get complete region, positive quadrant region. So x limits are x is equal to 0, x is equal to a. Now our I is equal to, for I is equal to integral. First integral limits are 0 to root over a square minus x square. Second integral limits are 0 to a according to rule or diagram, given diagram. X, y, here x appears, so opposite variable. First we integrate with respect to y and then we integrate with respect to x. We get 0 to a integral dy, x is constant. Y integration, y square by 0 to root over a square minus x square dx. And then 0 to a, substitute upper limit. Instead of y, you write this one. Root to square root cancel. We get a square minus x square by 2. A square minus x square by 2. Substitute 0, we get 0 inside. So 1 by 2 common 0 to a x into a square x into x square x cube dx is equal to 1 by 2 integration a square constant integral x is x square by 2 minus x cube integration x power of 4 by 4 x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula x power of 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 very elementary formulas intermediate formulas substituting upper limit 1 by 2 instead of x into a square into a square a 4 by 2 instead of x into a 4 by 2 this is equal to 4 LCM 2 times 2a power 4 minus a power 4 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2a power 4 minus a power 4 a power 4 by 4 finally this is a power 4 by 8. Thank you very much. Note down.